A theme is a set of colors that will be applied to the Angular material components. The library's approach to theming is based on the guidance from the material design spec. In Angular material, a theme is created by composing multiple palettes. In particular, a theme consists of primary, accent, warm, foreground, and background palette. We will refactor our themes a little bit, so let's create new theme.scss file in the source folder of our app. We will use this file to define our primary and secondary theme. After that, navigate to the root of the project and find a file named .angularcli.json, and under styles we need to provide our new theme file in the array. This tells Angular CLI to include this file in the compilation process. Now stop the ng-serve and run it again to apply the changes from the CLI. Then delete the theme import in style CSS and let's open our new theme file. We will first add an import so that we can use our palettes, our colors. So let's declare add import parenthesis tilde add angular / material / core / theming / all - theme. Now we will include our primary theme. We will construct our primary theme. So let's declare add include, and we want to include the mat-core. And now we will define two colors, the primary and the accent. So we can define like this: $app-primary is matte palette, and we will choose a color of indigo. So we are declaring it like matte-indigo. We are doing similar to for the accent color. So $app accent is matte palette of pink, like this. And now we are declaring new variable for the app theme, and we are calling the matte light theme with these two parameters like app primary and app accent. And all together we will include this app theme. So add include angular-material-theme, and we pass in the app theme variable. This is how we construct our primary theme, and now we will add a functionality to switch between our primary and secondary, the dark theme. So we will declare a .dark-theme, so a class of dark theme, and inside of it you can just copy paste from the app primary, app accent, app theme, and include, like this. And now we will just change the variable names from the app primary to the dark primary, and we will use the blue-gray color. For our accent color, we will just change from the app accent to the dark accent, and we will use our amber theme to be a secondary color, and this variable will not be app theme, but it will be dark theme. So we are defining matte dark theme, and we are passing the dark primary and dark accent colors. And altogether we are including this as an Angular material theme. Now let's add another attribute here in the dark theme class. We will include the background color of 42, 42, 42. So the whole app will look a little bit darker and will be more pleasant. So now we define two colors for each of the themes. These colors are primary and accent, and we put them in another theme variable. Later we just include theme as Angular material themes. When the element will have the class of dark-theme, the dark theme will be applied. In the toolbar, let's add a button to toggle between these two themes. Also, let's append the class attribute to the MD SideNew container element, so when the dark theme is toggled, this element will change. Let's open up app.component.html and create a new button under the title. We will declare a button tag with the MD button attribute and a click handler which will toggle the isDarkTheme variable. So click handler is equal to isDarkTheme is equal to not isDarkTheme. So we are toggling it, and the name of button will be toggle theme. Now let's navigate to the MD SideNew container, and here we will include our class. We declare a square brackets with a class .dark-theme is equal to isDarkTheme. So when isDarkTheme is true, this is a boolean, our class of dark theme will be applied to this element. And also in the app.component.ts we need to define this boolean variable isDarkTheme. So we are just adding isDarkTheme, which is a type of boolean.